Rodney says he's heard about 80% of people recover from this virus. He asks, is that true?
Yes, that is true. Now, let's talk about this number very specifically, okay? Now, when I first started doing this program and following this disease several months ago, that number of total cases in the world was about 94% of the cases that have closed, meaning once it's closed, either you have recovered or you have died. And that's a worldwide number we track minute by minute. That number at one point was 94%. 94% recovered, 6% died. Now, 3 months later, that number is worldwide 80% of the people that have their cases closed, meaning they have lived or died. 80% have lived and 20% have died in the world. Now, that is a scary number to me. And when I saw that, that let me know I'm tracking death cases. I'm not tracking anymore people who have the disease, because that doesn't make a difference, because that's very variable based on how many people we're testing. You can see places like Mississippi right now, they didn't have a lot of cases, but they didn't have a lot of tests. So we can't really follow that number so much as how many people are actually dying and having a really significant morbidity. Because even if you don't die and you have lungs that are scarred for a very long time, that's still a very important thing, because you can't go back to work if you can't breathe appropriately. You can't play with your kids if you can't breathe appropriately. So these things are important. So that question is the one that scares me the most, but I'll be tracking that with you.
All right, Dr.